again. It's Thursday and another episode of Juicy Grammar with Stephen, and this time also with Douglas. Douglas is going to help me later. Is that okay? Douglas says yes. Today we're going to look at the following two words in English and how they're used. The words are some and any. Oh no! Look at my fridge. It's completely empty. I'll need to go and buy things. I don't have any potatoes, so I'll have to buy some. And I don't have any carrots. I'll have to buy some carrots too. And I don't have any onions. I'll have to buy some of them too. And I don't have any milk for my coffee, so I'll have to buy some milk as well. And I want to make spaghetti bolognese for tea today, but I don't have any spaghetti, I don't have any mince, and I don't have any cheese, so I'll have to buy some of them too. So, I use the words some and any. Can you remember when I used the word any? I don't have any onions. I don't have any carrots. And I don't have any milk. So if you want to make a statement which is negative, like I don't have any. Right, let's see, that didn't work. I don't have any milk. I'll have to go and buy some. I'll buy some. So when you have a negative statement, use any. And when you use a normal statement, use some. Right, I'm going to ask Douglas to come in again. Where are you? Let's see if you can work out what I'm doing this time with both Douglas and myself. Douglas, do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, you do. Douglas, did you chew any bones this week? No. Douglas, have you chased any postman this week? Yes, he has. And, Douglas, have you chewed any slippers this week? Oh, Douglas says, I'm sorry, I've chewed some. So there's another way using any and some. When you ask a question. Okay, Douglas, you can jump off. So if I make a question, do you have any brothers or sisters? When you're asking a question. Finally, there's another way you can use some. For example, if you want to ask someone, would you like some coffee? Would you like some more tea? When you're making a request or you're offering something. Would you like some more porridge? Douglas, would you like some more bones? Yeah, Douglas says yes. Douglas, would you like some more chewed up slippers? Yes, he would. So another way of using with some is when you're asking, when you're offering something. Would you like some tea? When you're offering something. Now Douglas and I know that there are other uses of any and some, and we'll look at them later on in the summertime. Okay, Douglas? Yep. Okay, so bye for today. Bye.